Welcome to day number 8 of cash injection challenge. Yesterday we have reviewed day number 1 to day number 6 and also we have created text post and image post. Now it's time to schedule your content across multiple platforms for consistent visibility and authority. So there are 8 different ways that you can do that with the help of this tool.
So we have generated all the images. Now we are in day number 8. Now we want to schedule all these images. What you can do, you can upload in Google Drive. You have link and paste it in a CSV file, and there is a scheduler inside here. So if you see here, so we have this is the batch content creation, and this is the schedule in AirBiz sales format where we will copy paste all these links here, images, all these things, GIF, all these links. So once we have all the links pasted here, we have this one. So maybe we have generated it from different kind of brand blast or something, whatever the places where we have generated. We copy paste the links here, we copy paste the content here, and if we do not have images, we paste only text here. So in this way we schedule it. So there are different ways we can schedule in our AI-based sales system. Okay, this is the software where we can schedule it. Okay, this is GoHighLevel only, we have right labeled it, and this is it. Inside this marketing you can have scheduling that part. So we have discussed it in that one, day number 8. So schedule it brand blast. Whatever the links you have, you will open it, so you will find out the videos around that, and you will understand it how we can do that. Schedule it with Meta in mobile. You can schedule it with Meta app inside the mobile also. Desktop also apply. How you can do that? You just click on this. You will understand. If you can schedule it with Lead Conductor mobile app. You can schedule it with Publer. You can schedule it manually. How you can do that? You just click on the link. You will understand. And ViralList is a new software. So that is also there. So different things, and review phase 1, 2, 3. What is the things we have to check? All these things. Group posting. Okay, Facebook group also we can post irresistible offer. So you have to make it in habit to refine all these things. If you haven't booked a call with me, you just book a call with me, and have a system where all these things are ready. You do with the automations. Okay, so this is day number 8. So hope you complete this assignment. Okay, then we will move to day number 9.
Now let's summarize day number 8. So we have discussed the scheduling system, how you can schedule with Meta, with mobile and desktop. Then with our AI-based sales scheduler or GoHighLevel scheduler, whatever you have, you can schedule with mobile app also, with desktop also. So we have seen that. Then there are other platforms, free platforms like Publer to schedule it for free. Then there are many viralist type of things that are there. Okay, so but these are the main things where you can schedule the post that we have created. So just schedule it and put it in the calendar, whatever the images you have created. We will see more in upcoming days. Just check the link in description if you want the links of trainings of this, how to upload all these things and access of my 30 days cash injection challenge. Check the description below.